Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Cisco FTD and Cisco FMC images to EVE-NG. I downloaded the image files. You can see here, this one is for Cisco FTD. The version that I have is 7.7.11 and this one is for Cisco FMC. You can see that the extension of both of them is .qcow, which is required for the EVE-NG environment. I am using WinSCP software to connect to my server. You can see that I am connected to my server and I go to this path opt/unitlab/addons/qmo. Now I create a folder. You can see that before I had this version of the FTD, which is 7.7.10, and now I want to add a newer version, .11. So I use this name and I create new directory. I just changed the last part of the name. I can see from here that it is this part, 7.7.11, and also the rest. And I use that part here. The most important thing here is that this part should always be the same. The folder name should start with FTD7- and the rest is the version that you are using. So I create this folder and I go inside that folder. I copy this file. I drag and drop it here. I copy the file to that folder. It's going to take a few seconds. I'm going to fast forward this part. Now I change the name of the file. I keep the extension, but change the name to virt.ioa. Now I go back to the QMO folder and I create another folder for the FMC. It should start with FMC7-. I click here and create the directory. It should start with FMC7-, and now I use the version from here. The version is 7.7.11 and also I copy the rest. This is the folder for the FMC, and now I copy this file to that folder. Let me go to this folder first. Now I drag and drop it here. This one is going to take a little bit longer because it is a bigger file. So I pause the video and start recording when it is finished. The copying of file is finished. I also rename this file with the same name, virt.ioa.qcow. The last thing that I need to do is to log into the EVE-NG server via SSH. So I can click here on this icon here. It opens a party session for me. It is asking for the password. I type the password. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so we can see clearly what's going on. I type this line here to fix the permissions for the file and folders that we just added. I put this command in the description. You can copy and paste this command. I hit enter. It's going to take a few seconds and then we are done. Now I go to the browser and type the IP address of my server. I log into the server and now I want to add a Cisco FTD and a Cisco FMC. I right click here and I select node. I search for FTD. I can see Cisco Firepower FTD7. Now I can see that I have two versions. This one was the older version and this one is the new version that I just added. I can add this one, and for adding Cisco FMC, I right click here, I select node and search for FMC. And for this one, I also have two versions. This one is the new one that we just added. And I click save. Now I have the FMC and also FTD, and I can use them in my topology. We saw how we can add the Cisco FTD and Cisco FMC to the EVE-NG environment. Thank you so much for watching this video.